Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to design QR code on Instagram. Instagram lets its users easily customize their QR code and make it look attractive. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, press on the QR code section. Now it's time to customize your QR code. First of all, you need to decide what design option you want to use. You can select from color, emoji, and selfie design options. If you decide to use the color design option, then hit anywhere on the screen and you will be able to choose from different background colors. By selecting the emoji design, you can use any emoji you like in your QR code background. In this case, simply tap anywhere on the screen and use the search bar in order to find an emoji you would like to use. If you choose the selfie design, Instagram allows you to change the sticker that comes on your selfie by pressing on the screen. There are different stickers like heart eyes, glasses, mustache, unicorn, and sunglasses. What is more, you can take a new selfie by clicking on the retake icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once your QR code design is ready, you can share it by tapping the share icon in the upper right corner. And choosing the app through which you want to share your Instagram profile's QR code. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to design QR code on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.